So I'll choose let's say entertainment. You can ask your a post can fall under multiple categories too actually. So let's see which category we can put under. I can put under stories too. I can put under trending too. That's good. And I'll click on publish. Publish. So we've added our first post to our blog. So let's go and check our blog if we are going to see it. So refresh. Yes. Okay, this is it. Couple draws attention after a elderly woman falls behind them during wedding ceremony. She is under entertainment, it's under stories, under trending. Just telling me that it falls under those categories. Where I click on any of those categories, like let's say trending, I should see that post under it. We have it here. Can you see that? Let's add one more post. So let's see what we can get again. Let me use in the IKG blog. You can try with any blog of your choice and get your content from there. So let's say I click on this. We have this. So this kind of image I don't think is wide enough to use as a thumbnail, a featured image, and this is WPBP file. We won't be able to use it unless we start saving another way. So let me not use this. Let me check for another blog I can check from. Okay, I'm using go.com. Let me see. Let's go.com. Use latest news now. Let's go.com. The ad is quite much. I'm struggling to use it, but what we can do is I'll click on this. I'll save image as, I'll call it post 2. Well, you see, it's still a WBP file, not a JPEG or PNG. WordPress will not accept it, but I will have to find a way around that. What I'll do is I will open my Paint app, and you can use online tools too to also convert your file to JPG file or PNG file. So I'll go to open. So my downloads goes through, click on open. Now we have this. So now save it, save as, file, save as. So I can use JPG, I can use PNG. Let me use PNG picture. So I'll call it post 2. Now that's changed to JPG. Then I'll close my Paint app. So I'll go back to my dashboard. So I'll click on this place to go back to, let me save. Now let me go back. Okay, now let's make a new post. Add post. Okay, so yeah, let's see what the post is about. And slots. Let Apple no choice. Let's see, that's the title of the post. Okay, let's just put this. Okay, and add that as title. We have this. Let me just remove this part so our title is not that long. So I'll come to set featured image. Go to upload files, select files, and click on this. This should be the PNG. Let's right click and let's be sure, but it won't accept if it's not PNG or JPEG. WordPress does not accept that this PNG, so it's correct. So I click on open. Then set as featured image. So we have this here. We have set now. Okay, we've set our featured image. Let's go back to the playlist so we can get there again. Saturday afternoon news. That okay, let's copy this. Come to our dashboard. So you can just click on this plus, or it's open here already, and by default so it's a paragraph. Just paste that there. You can decide I want an slot to stand out, make that bold. Okay. Okay, in fairness, we must, let's see. Can we copy that? Okay. So I will just press enter to go to the next line. I can change whatever I want, or just continue. So I'll paste this there too. Press enter, but now let me put an image. I'll use the same image because if I'm going to save an image from the same source, I will need to convert again to PNG and JPEG. So let me just choose the same image, add there. It can be a video too. You can add it there, that same, you can add your caption and so on. So add caption. I'll say Irawala. I'll say slot. Then so I'm done with that. Then I'll click on publish. Publish. Then I'm able to publish my posts that way. So I can just click on this to see all my posts. So let's go back to this place and refresh. Oh, we didn't select the categories. So let's select our categories. If you choose one category, because we didn't select categories, and we don't want under categories, so I put under sports. I can put under stories and trending too. Then I'll save. It's not a must. You have to put it under multiple categories. It can be just one category and you're good to go. They're ready. So come here and refresh. Now we have this here now. If I click on it, you can read more details on it. So you can see how we're able to edit our blog and add to our blog. We didn't need to start from scratch. Took an existing demo, a template, and start to adjust and edit to our tastes while still maintaining the quality that the template comes with already. So I can just click on this. Same way, if you want to create new categories or add categories, you can just click on categories. So yeah, let's say I want to add categories here. I'll just say games. Then click on add category. Then to add to the categories. So if I want to go to my post and not select categories, I'll see games there. So that's how you edit your demo, your blog demo. That's how you add posts, delete posts, edit posts. Thank you very much, and see you in the next class.